Hey everyone, it's your boy Archer, and in today's video tutorial I'm going to talk about how you can make between 10 to 40,000 naira a day as a beginner trading with Binance. And once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. The first thing I would like to talk about before I jump into trading is your fiat and spot wallet. You have to make sure that you have some cryptocurrencies available for you to be able to trade and make some profit. Now, tip number one I would like to give is, please, as a beginner, kindly start with a really small portfolio, say 2, 3 or 4 cryptocurrencies, and then you can scale your way up as you have more experience and time management skills. Okay? The method I use to trade daily is called the spot trading method. Now, this is nothing too complicated. You really need no experience. You just need some patience and you're good to go, right? So in order for you to access your spot page, you have to come to trade, and on the trade you click on the advanced option. Once you click on the advanced option, it's going to redirect you to this landing page. Now, please do not get confused. This is really simple. Okay. On your top left, you have the currency that is currently displaying over here, and on your right side of the screen, you have basically where you can place your orders for a buy or a sell. Okay. The first thing you would do is simply go to the crypto you wish to trade, and for the sake of this video tutorial, I would be using BNB USDT, and this is simply because I have some orders that I would like to use an example. Once it populates the crypto, you click on BNB USDT. Once the chart of the crypto you've selected has populated, you're going to see a live interpretation of the current price. Okay, and you can see as of now BNB USDT is at a floating price of $332.6. So to your right, you have, like I said, your buy or your sell orders. So first of all, we're going to focus on buying. Okay. Under buying, you have a limit type of buy and you have a market type of buy. I'm going to start talking about market type of buy. Now, for market execution is simply you saying you're comfortable with the price of BNB and you wish to purchase BNB right now. Okay, so let's assume you want to purchase $100 worth of BNB. Okay, it would buy BNB with the current market price of 333.16 or whatever the real floating price is. Okay, you can buy for $10, $20, $1,000, whatever the case may be. Now, under the limit order, which is my personal favorite, is you basically telling the market to buy when it gets to a certain price that you are comfortable with. So say, for example, I want to buy BNB at $200. You simply come here and type $200. What this simply means is only buy BNB when the price of BNB gets to $200 per coin, right? So say we want to buy one BNB, that would be equivalent of $200, right? If you want to buy BNB, say for example at $250, so one BNB at $250 would be $250. You don't have to buy one whole BNB. If you're a beginner and you don't have a full portfolio, you can buy 0.1 BNB, that is 0.1 BNB, that is $25, or 0.5 BNB, that is $125. And the reason why I prefer this option, especially when I'm not comfortable with the current market price, is because I can place my orders and go about doing other activities that are more important than sitting down by my desktop or my mobile phone and waiting for the price to get to $250 or whatever price I want to wait for. Okay, once you've done that and you've clicked on buy, it is going to fill your orders. Now, because I've already done an example, I'm just going to show you what it looks like in my order here. So as you can see, yesterday I purchased 0.7784 worth of BNBs that is equivalent to $242.38 at the price of 311.37. So I purchased my BNB somewhere around this area right here. So once you've clicked on buy, it is going to fill your order just like this, and then it is going to go to your spot wallet and will be available for you to trade. Now I'm going to pull up my calculator and show you the equivalent of the BNB I bought yesterday. Okay, so I bought 0.7784 coins at 311.37. That leaves me with $242.38 or $37 multiplied by 490 naira. That is equivalent to 118,761 naira. Okay, now is step number 2, selling. So as you can see here in my open orders, I have an open order for BNB at the selling price of $400. What does this mean? This simply means when BNB gets to $400, please Binance, sell my 0.778 coins. I am ready to take my profits. Okay, that leaves me to step number 2, which is under the sell orders. Now for the sell orders, it's just the same thing. You have 2 types of sell orders. You have the stop limit, something I don't want to get into today. However, you have the market sell orders, meaning I am comfortable with the price of BNB right now. So let's assume BNB right now is at 500. You can simply come here, type in the number of BNB you wish to sell, and in my case, say for example 0.778, click sell, and it converts your BNB back to USDT in your wallet. Okay, however, for the sake of this tutorial, since I am not ready to sell this, I have a sell limit order for $400, meaning once BNB, or if BNB gets to $400, I want you to sell 0.778 BNB and give me my money back into USD. So as you can see here, since I've already placed the order, right, it will sell my BNBs at the price of 311.12. Now what does this mean? This simply means I purchased BNB at 111,000, okay, 761 naira. However, I am going to sell it when it gets to $400. Meaning I have $400 times 0.778 BNB is equivalent to $311.12. And as you can see here, I bought my BNB at $242.38. So if I minus $242.38, I am left with $68.74 of profit multiplied by the naira. That is equivalent to 33,682 naira. Okay, now this is just for one cryptocurrency example. So as a beginner, you can start with 2 or 3 or 4 so that you can expand your profits for the day. Now remember guys, this is also a waiting game. You can have these profits in a day, you can have them in a few hours, you can have them sometimes in 2, 3, 4 or 5 days, depending on how far you're willing to stretch your take profit prices. Okay, and if the price goes against you and you see that the price is lower than your buying price, all you have to do is just be patient and wait for the prices to move up to your advantage. Okay, now guys, this is a desktop version. I would be uploading the mobile version very soon. It is the same concept, just probably different views to how they both look like. However, they have the same type of concept. You buy at a cheap price and you sell when the price of the asset gets higher. Okay, now guys, if you enjoyed this video tutorial, please click a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you do not have a Binance account and you wish to start trading on Binance, please click on my referral link below. I would appreciate that very much. Now once again, it's your boy Archer. Thank you guys.